Hi guys, welcome back to my video. I just bought this camera off of Facebook Marketplace and I've been testing it out and playing with it, and it is so cool. I feel like the grain and the texture of it just looks so nice, and especially when you zoom in on this is the Canon handheld camera. I've just been craving this nostalgic sort of feel when it comes to video. I've been watching a lot of videos that have this artsy sort of nostalgic, and even some of my old videos that I used to post on YouTube have that feel to them, and I just miss it. So I wanted to experiment and get a new camera and film a vlog on it. So that is what I am doing.
Wait, I zoomed in too much.
Zoom in all the way.
What?
Zoom in all the way.
Okay.
Is it really close?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're back already. Back already, guys. Does it look cool?
Yeah.
Kind of retro.
Yeah.
It's hot and I'm wearing a sweater. I'm going to take you to my backyard, my garden, and I'm going to show you my new friend. Okay, genuinely sorry to anyone who is afraid of spiders. This is probably the worst thing you've ever seen, but I agree, these spiders do look very scary, but they're very good for the ecosystem. And honestly, there's something so beautiful about the way they do their little zigzag. It's kind of like artwork. And they're just so vibrant. I am really glad she chose my backyard. So that's where she stays. And while I'm over here, I'll show you my pomegranate tree. You can see my pomegranate. There's one. Here's another. I'm surprised the bugs haven't eaten them, and I think that they should be ready in the fall. And there's Mr. Crosby, looking cute as always. Oh, my old man.
Oh, Arla, what you got? Your big bone? Got your bone?
Everyone's eating what they love, including Crosby.
Crosby, stop that. Crosby!
How's that butthole taste?
It's not crazy. It is doable. It's just gonna take some time.
Today has been a chill day. It's been pretty relaxing. I'm really tired. I feel like I didn't sleep so good last night, but we did run some errands this morning. We went to the UPS store and then we stopped by Goodwill because I had some donations to drop off and I can never help myself. I went inside of the store and I got some things. Not a ton of things, but I'll show you right now what I picked up. James got this ashtray, which I found And it has this cool little road runner in the center of it, and it's hand painted. He also got this book, which is one of his favorite authors, Louis L'Amour, and I thought that this would just look really nice on our bookcase. I actually have been wanting something like this for my necklaces. I like how this has two tiers for longer and shorter, and then down here at the bottom there's these little holes where you can actually put earrings in. Whenever I go to work, I always just bring plastic bags, like HEB bags with my lunch in them, but I found this. Thought this is very cute and would be functional. Got a birdhouse, and I actually like the way that this is painted. If anything, I thought maybe I'll add some floral around the opening here, like some daisies and some greenery, and then I can just hang this on the fence or on a tree. The last thing I got is a throw blanket, and I don't need any blankets, but I just really liked this waffle knit material, and I'll show you the brand. The reason I got it is because it's 100% cotton, which I really appreciate. And if you have dogs, I'm sure you know when you have a bunch of synthetic blankets, you have to wash them all the time because they pick up the dog smell. So I'm slowly trying to transition all of my throw blankets, especially for the dogs, to more natural fibers. That is my little thrift haul. I think now I'm just gonna relax and probably pick up, clean up a little bit, and then tonight around 6 we are having dinner at James's parents' house, so that should be really nice to see the family. If I don't see you tonight, I will see you tomorrow. I don't think he sees that it's me. It's me, guys. Good morning.
Okay, let's get some breakfast. Arlo, Cross, and Tobin. All clean.
It's a little bit later now and I have to go pick up groceries. We were gonna go to the grocery store, but it's my least favorite thing to do, so I just figured I would place a grocery order. I've never seen it like this before. There's not one spot to park. I've never seen it so crazy.
I know. Yes, me either.
Really?
Usually it's like this on like a holiday now.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I guess it's like the first like full week of people going back to school.
Yeah,
and
that
stuff.
makes sense.
Perfect. You have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Yeah,
Bye.
Of course.
Oh, that took for freaking ever. I was almost got an hour.
They said sorry for the wait.
Yeah, the girl said she's never seen it that crazy. I feel like there was a glitch in the systems or something like with the time.
Yeah, there's like too many people coming at once.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's good.
good.
Mhm.
A little more.
No, that's good.
Not that I'm looking for a gold star, but I just don't see him giving up anything other than his like, young Johnny lifestyle.
Okay, maybe this way. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this camera. I think it is so cool and I really enjoyed filming a video on it. I think my plan for this camera is just to have it at all times in my bag wherever I'm going, and in the future when I make videos it's going to be a mix. I use my phone, I have 2 other cameras, and then this now. I tried to opt for a camera that was still watchable, and what sold me on this versus the Sony is when you zoom in super close to something, I think you kind of notice it in the butterfly footage that I filmed. You see this purpley tint, almost like a dreamy sort of aura over the image, and I really love that. When you bring out something like this, especially around like friends or family, it's just kind of a conversation starter and it's a bit funny and people are like, I haven't seen one of those in years, and it just makes it a bit more, I guess it makes it a bit less awkward. So that is my plan, just to have this and incorporate it in my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I will see you in my next one. Bye.